Festive offer. Buy any sari or lehenga at Plush Boutique and get 2000 worth any cosmetic product free. A very soft color combination. A very light mustard with a contrast green pallu, contrast blouse. 1350. Wow, I really love this color. Light pista green with gold zari work. A very lightweight sari with rich pallu and a beautiful rich blouse. 1510. Grey color with copper zari work, rich pallu and blouse. 1225. Very, very soft and lightweight sari. A multicolor sari. I really love this color combination. A woman with veena, peacock, beautiful pallu design, blouse design. 1530. Tomato red sari.